A Tahoe SX. You should put that on the back of your car. What up, guys? Today we are going to throw the one little piece that I have for the K-Series on the K-Series here at ARD Motorsports, and then we're gonna go to Friday night drift. So we'll talk a little crap and then go check out some drifting. All right, guys, so our first new piece is the K-Power Industries coolant neck relocation. It's gonna replace this piece here. So we're gonna get all the nuts and bolts out, all the pieces. I've gotta relocate this. So let's get started. I also got some nice new sockets. So with this relocation, it keeps this at a better angle for a rear-wheel drive, as well as deleting our heater, which we're not going to use anyway. All right, so it relocates this. So we're gonna take the coolant temp sensor out and figure out what bolt goes in it. Probably this one.
Dang, dude. Pink Tahoe? This is be right.
You should buy it.
Pink Tahoe?
Yeah, you should buy my Tahoe.
I don't need a Tahoe.
You should buy my Tahoe.
I need another car.
I'll paint it pink if you want a pink Tahoe.
No, I don't have an SUV.
Everybody tells Zach right here to buy my Tahoe from me in the comment section.
I have no use for Tahoe. I already have a Tahoe.
Tell him he needs another Tahoe in the comment section. A Tahoe SX. You should put that on the back of your car.
Tahoe SX.
You should 100% put that on the back of your car.
It'll pull Jesse, no problem.
Mr. Tahoe SX that won't even drive it.
Hey man, it's expensive to drive it. An hour and 10 minutes to work and an hour and 10 minutes home.
Drive it at Lanier.
That sounds like a lot of wheel bearings.
It's fine.
Driving to and from work, that sounds like a wheel bearing every month.
Well, that sounds like you're not installing it right.
No, it just, when I turn the wheel, it slaps the fuck out of my tie rod. Like really hard.
Okay, so alignment issue. Too wide of
I
wheels.
need a spacer for my ghetto angle kit.
Ghetto angle kit. You can find me a hex for that?
Ooh.
I think it's a 6.
You want hand Allen or you want?
It doesn't matter. All right, so off camera, we had to pull these studs out. Y'all saw me struggle with it for a second. Looks like the K series or the K Power Industries relocation blocks off what looks to be EGR and some heater core stuff, which is perfectly fine. What size is that? Mine might have been right.
6.
I was right. Thank you, sir.
This is an E36.
What? This isn't going in an E36.
Should.
No, it's going in an FRS.
E36 is way cooler.
I'm not a BMW person, even though I'm probably going to end up in an E36 for a fun car.
I want all the BMWs.
I want a Z. I have no particular reason for wanting a Z, as bad as I do, but I want a Z.
You can crash a BMW too.
What are you talking about?
They like it.
Yeah, but I don't want to crash.
Oh.
I want to drift.
Well, yeah, it's the same thing.
No. Crashing sucks. Then you got to fix it after.
That's why I don't drive my car. It's still broken.
Well, don't crash and you won't have to fix it as much.
I didn't have to crash. It's still broken.
Well, that's just 240 problems in general. I want 240 problems. I'll trade you a Tahoe for your S13. You'll still have a V8.
I'll keep my trend.
All right.
I'll cut the cage out of it.
Cut the cage out of it. Ah.
Okay, no wheels, no rear knuckles, no trans, no.
What kind of car am I getting?
You need to get a bare shell for your Tahoe. That's junk, man.
Oh my God.
That's junk, man.
Yeah, he called my shit junk, but he still hasn't sold his Z's.
Oh no, he's stuck with that junk.
Poor little baby.
He's stuck with that junk.
If he'd have been nicer, I'd have been like, oh, I'll come buy it after everything.
I want this whitey for his kid. I'm gonna need another color.
So is there not a... What is this sensor hole for? And why did they give me a plug and an adapter for here?
Oh, that's. You got no gas in it.
Oh. Maybe it's for this nipple.
Mm. Mm-hmm. You needed a PTFE.
But then what is that for?
What's for that? No, that one's that one.
Yeah.
This one's that one.
No, because that's heater core.
It's small.
And I'm not doing heater core anymore.
You plug it.
I don't know what it's for. We're going to find out.
Just cap it.
Might end up capping it. Yeah.
Just shove this in there. It'll seal up. Just use one of these washers and cap it.
That's cap. Whatever. All right, so we're gonna take it off my head. All right, cool. So we have installed the K-Power relocation for the coolant nut. And next we will see you at Lanier, and I'll probably update y'all when I figure out what the few pieces that I'm not sure are or for. So see you at Lanier.